Sonia from Cherry Creek Mortgage here with a quick market update for you for December 30th, last one of the year. So today the market's been kind of quiet. We have seen over the past few days the bond market rallying quite a little bit. It's been a good sign, a welcome sign since the election. We're not back to where we were before the election, and who knows if we ever really will be. It's going to be a short week next week, and we do expect to get some data that could be a market mover once again. Jobs report will be coming out, so definitely curious to see what is in store on that front and how that's going to affect things. So going into next year, I think the biggest takeaway from what we've seen over just these past few weeks would be to over-prepare. If you're in the market looking for a home or you've been thinking about a refinance, definitely check in with your loan officer. Hopefully that's me, but if not, either way, check in with your loan officer, get some current information, current rates, and over-prepare yourself. If you're looking at homes 6 months down the road, bump those rates up a half a point. Give yourself some cushion and hopefully get some good news later. So on that note, have a very happy new year. I wish you all the best, a very healthy and prosperous new year in 2017. Take care, and I'll see you next year.